Hey there everyone, and welcome to section 2 of our Google AdSense video training series, the step-by-step section, where we are going to show you how to get started with AdSense hassle-free the right way. Contents in this section include setting up an AdSense-friendly website, creating a Google AdSense account, Google AdSense walkthrough, customizing your first AdSense ads, inserting ad slots manually, and inserting ad slots with the AdSense plugin. So let's get started with the very first step, having an actual website that you can monetize with AdSense. Setting up an AdSense-friendly website. Having a website where to serve your ads is a requirement to join AdSense. But you can't just go with any kind of website, as you'll have to comply with some very basic requirements. First of all, you need your own domain name. And secondly, you will need to host your site on a dedicated server. So, the first step is to look for a domain vendor to buy a domain for your new AdSense-friendly website and a hosting service where to host it. And we recommend you to use HostGator, as it is our trusted vendor. To buy your domain name, you'll simply have to go to HostGator.com and to click on the Domains tab. Use the domain name search bar on that page to look for a custom domain name. Check its availability, and add it to your shopping cart. Now to buy hosting, simply go back to HostGator.com and click on the Web Hosting tab. There you will see 3 hosting service plans available: the Hatchling plan, the Baby plan, and the Business plan. We recommend you to select the Business plan from the get-go because it allows you to install unlimited domains and to easily install WordPress to set up your niche sites. After buying your domain name as well as your hosting plan and registering your cPanel profile, you will be able to set up your AdSense niche website. Start by logging into your cPanel dashboard. Then look for the popular link section and click on Build a new WordPress site. Now click on the Select Domain for Installation menu. Select the domain where you are going to set up your website. Enter the name of your new website or blog in the directory field and then click on Next. Now you have to register your new WordPress site's info. Start by entering the name of your new site in the blog title field. Enter your admin username in the admin user field. This is the username that you will use to log in to your WordPress managed website. Now enter your first name and your last name. Lastly, enter your admin email. Check the Terms of Service Agreement box and click on Install. Now wait until you get an installation complete message and save your username and your password in a safe location. Now click on Login, and on the next page simply enter your username, your password, and click on Login to get inside your new site's dashboard. Now you will be able to customize your new AdSense site the way you want as long as you don't violate their content policies. But you'll have to comply with a simple rule before you submit your site to the AdSense program. You have to include About, Contact, and Privacy Policy pages on your site. We recommend you to add them right after installing your site so you don't have to rush them after creating your content. Let's start with the About page. Start by hovering over the Pages tab located on the left-hand menu, and then click on the Add New button. Now enter the About word in the title field. Now simply write a description of your site. Make sure to be descriptive and to make it at least 100 words long. Once you finish writing it, simply click on the Publish button. Awesome! Now hover over the Add New option under the Pages tab once again and click on it. Now enter the Contact word in the title field. Now enter a brief message to invite your visitors to get in contact with you in case of an inquiry or in case that they need assistance. Here, we recommend you to add your contact email address as well as a contact form. To add a contact form, simply click on the Add Contact Form button above the text field. Once you finish setting up your contact page, click on the Publish button. Alright, now click again on the Add New option under the Pages tab. Enter the Privacy Policy phrase in the title field. Okay, so what you are going to add to this page is your privacy policy, which is simply a disclaimer about what type of data you will collect from your visitors and what type of monetization methods you use on this site. There are 3 basic elements that you have to include in this page. First, you have to state what type of information you collect on your site. For example, if you don't have any type of sign-up form or shopping cart on your site, you'll simply need to state that you collect data from log files, which includes a visitor IP address, internet service provider, browser type, and time of visit. The second element that you have to specify is what monetization programs are working on your site and how they use the visitor's info. In our case, we're only going to specify AdSense as our monetization program, and cookies as a tracking method that the program uses to track a user's browsing habits. The third element is a clarification to users stating that they can opt out of the program and stop seeing ads if they wish to. In our case, we're going to tell them that they can opt out of the program by visiting the ad platform's website and by disabling cookies on their browsers. Lastly, you'll have to add the date when you last updated your privacy policies and a contact email in case of inquiries. Once you are done creating your privacy policy page, you'll simply have to click on the Publish button to continue customizing your site. One last note. Please remember to add content to your site before submitting it to AdSense. Google will need to review the content on your site before greenlighting it for AdSense. So make sure to add at least 3 to 5 posts that are 250 words long at the very least. Make sure that these posts are written in perfect English or to use perfect grammar in your target language, and to avoid typos. Do not copy your content from anywhere, as this would cause you to lose your account on the spot. And that's it. Next up, we're going to show you how to easily create your new AdSense account. So tune in.